And he's calling right here on Facebook, so. Hey man, what's going on?
How are you, man?
I'm doing good. It's been a long night. It's been a long night. Obviously, my office is already full of people. I haven't even slept yet. But
You're obviously really experienced in bot building and ManyChat specifically, and doing like custom integrations, etc. I'm thinking about like using our list and our subscribers to drive traffic to your course. We want to send you traffic, like how we can do a broadcast or something and send you traffic. For us, it's obviously like our like benefit here is like just our users get more educated. We love people who are just more sophisticated, can build more complex flows, are deeper into like the features, etc.
So I'll send you the information. I can count on you to be there. At least show up once during the
Yes.
training. I'll send you some more information.
That is definitely like at least once I'll appear, and maybe like we can do this even twice or something. That is like I confirm that. Awesome. Love what you're doing. Love you sharing the information and the experience.
And obviously, I'm really interested in just your name alone. Obviously, brings a lot of bearing to it, and that's part of what's on this board. And that's a lot of the plan in this initial training. Is I wanted to give a lot more value than anybody else on the internet is ever going to give. I wanted to give something that no one's ever seen before, just an obnoxious amount of value. And through that process, obviously. I started this process, like maybe 14, 15 hours ago, have about 100, have done no marketing at all, just literally dropped a link through my bot. I dropped the link to the bot on your group, got all the subscribers, and then I did a broadcast through ManyChat to the bot subscribers, and already have like 117 signups for the class already in just 14 hours. So, and that was a lot of the plan, is that I'm going to take until the first class is going to start on the 2nd of December. And before then, I'm going to correlate with everybody that signs up from then till now, source all their ideals of what is the most valuable thing, what the most specific thing for those are. I'm going to use those as one-off trainings that you're talking about. And then the entire course of the training is going to be all completely live training, where people can keep giving these specific, this is exactly what I want to know. Okay, fine. Hey, we've got a 2-hour slot right now. You want to know exactly this? We're going to make that specific thing. So by the end of the training, I'll literally have like, let's say 25, because there's 25 training classes, because I'm doing 7 hours a day every Saturday in December. So it's going to be 25 classes. So there'll be 25 real specific pieces of content and a whole bunch of extra ideals that I can go back in later and make those additional things to basically.
You should market this even more. Like we should refer you people.
Hey, have a good one, man. I'll talk to you again, hopefully.
You too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.